Hello, welcome to Taz Cooking Show. We are making spaghetti and with meat sauce. And here's how you do it. First, you open the box like this. That will make it so that everything opens. There's ice on the bottom. But you can't eat it with ice. You hear that? It's frozen solid. But we can't eat it like that. Now you have to cut you kind of tear the film like this, about this much. And you just stick it in the microwave for about 3, 4, 5 minutes. I'll stick it in for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so it's okay. Guys, it's cooking. Now we're gonna check it. Now we gotta check it. Make sure it's fully cooked to the temperature. And I'll read it out. Make sure it's cooked to the temperature. And you gotta make sure the product produces an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Now we will check that. So you gotta open it like this. You gotta make sure the noodles and the it's kind of like frozen in the bottom, so we're gonna reseal it. Reseal the product. Reseal it. Now we'll check on it in a few minutes, guys. What's cooking? We're gonna need to get out our favorite, whatever kind of cheese you like on it. When it's done, you'll probably need like, I don't know, this brand. I would recommend this brand, the grated Parmesan cheese by Redner's. And read the nutrition facts and always check the date before you put it on, because that might completely ruin your meal, because it could be expired. Now I'm going to check it once again. I'm about to set the camera down, guys. You're gonna check it. Now it's been like, it says done. Now we're gonna check it with a fork. You're gonna need a fork. I would most recommend a fork too. A fork like this. A fork like this, kind of. It's long enough. Now I'm gonna get one of the noodles. A couple of the noodles. See, guys? I'm gonna cool them off. And you're gonna taste them. And you gotta make sure that the taste done. Now you gotta peel the sauce. Guys, the sauce is done. I think it's all done. What's that are finishing touches is that same Parmesan cheese. Adding our favorite touches of flaming hot, not flaming hot, but grated Parmesan cheese. I like a lot, so I'm gonna put a lot. Let's mix it. Stir up your noodles. Now you're done. Now that's how you make it. Now it's for the taste test. Taste it. So, Taz right here, he's gonna taste it. It's gotta cool down. Taste done. It's good. Now, guys, see you in the next Taz video, guys. Bye.